Bonjour, I'm Mark, and welcome to Digestive Symphony. People often ask me how an award-winning French chef and sommelier ended up in nutrition and well-being coaching. Well, the answer is very simple because my health needed a new recipe. For many years, I lived in fine dining, Michelin-level kitchens, vineyards, beautiful international five-star hotels. Food was my world, wine was my passion, and still is, and creating beautiful experiences for others was my life. But slowly, my own body started to struggle. I felt tired too often. My energy level went up and down. My digestion became unpredictable, even with perfect meals. And I realized something important. You can't enjoy great food if your gut is not working well. So I went back to basics. I studied the gut, inflammation, stress, sleep, and hormones. I returned to the true Mediterranean lifestyle, simple, seasonal, balanced, and gentle on the body. And as my gut healed, everything improved. My clarity, my mood, my weight, my sleep, and my resilience. And that personal transformation became LightLife Health Solution. And now it brings you here to the Digestive Symphony. So what is Digestive Symphony? It's not a diet, it's just a simple and gentle reset. And inside my experience mini course, you are going to learn how to understand what your gut is trying to tell you, spot the real triggers behind bloating, cravings, and fatigue. You are going to learn how to build simple daily habits that restore balance and energy. You're going to feel so much lighter, clearer, and more in control again. So, when your gut is out of tune, everything feels harder. But when it's in harmony, your whole life flows much better. And that's why I called it a symphony. And remember, use it for 3 days or lose it for 3 more years. 3 days can make a big difference. This is your reset button, simple, guided, and achievable. So let's start together. One bite, one breath, one day at a time. And bienvenue, welcome to Digestive Symphony. I look forward to see you inside, and we're going to start our first session just now. Thank you so much.
Hi and welcome everyone, my name is Mark Friedrich and welcome to my experience mini course session 1. So today we're exploring how gut health influences your entire well-being. Your gut is so much more than a digestion system. It's a central hub that communicates with your brain, immune system and hormones. So if you've been feeling tired, foggy, bloated or simply off, this session may give you the clarity you've been searching for. So did you know that your gut does far more than break down food? It plays a crucial role in energy production, immune defense, hormone balance, and even emotional stability. When your gut is balanced, you feel lighter, clearer, and more resilient. And when your gut is irritated, your whole body feels slightly misaligned, low energy, poor focus, and mood shifts often begin here. One question people ask me very often is, what is leaky gut? So your gut and brain communicate constantly through the gut and brain axis. This means that stress affects digestion and gut inflammation affects your mood and focus. And an unsettled gut can send signals that show up as anxiety, irritability, emotional fatigue, or difficulty concentrating. So an understanding this connection is the key to understanding your symptoms as well. Leaky gut happens when the gut lining becomes weakened or too permeable. And tiny openings are going to let undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into the bloodstream, triggering an immune response. This leads to widespread inflammation that can affect your digestion, skin, joints, mood, and energy. And it's more common than most people realize. And leaky gut symptoms can appear in many forms like bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, fatigue, foggy thinking, headaches, and skin irritation. These symptoms are not random. They are an early sign that your gut lining needs repair. And when this barrier is compromised, inflammation rises and the entire body feels the impact. Next, we're going to look at IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and how it affects the movement and sensitivity of the gut. Symptoms often include cramping, irregular bowel movements, bloating, and unpredictable digestion. And things like stress, food triggers inflammation, and an altered microbiome all contribute to IBS. Many people live with IBS without ever realizing the root cause. Now, did you know that IBS and leaky gut often appear together, creating a cycle of discomfort? A sensitive gut, IBS, become even more reactive when the gut lining is compromised when you have leaky gut. This combination can lead to persistent inflammation, food sensitivities, mood shifts, and digestive chaos. Addressing both is essential for long-term healing. Your gut produces up to 90% of your serotonin, your body's mood stabilizing hormone. And when the gut is inflamed or imbalanced, your emotional and mental health often feel the impact. Brain fog, low motivation, irritability, and anxiety can all trace back to the gut imbalance. And healing the gut often brings clarity, calmness, and renewed focus as well. Quick fixes like antacids, detox teas, restricted diets, or random supplements may provide temporary relief, but they don't heal the underlying issue. True gut healing requires consistency, nourishing foods, fiber, hydration, balanced meals, stress management, mindful routines, and targeted supplements. The goal is not perfection, it's steady restoration. And here are red flags you shouldn't ignore, like chronic bloating when you have persistent abdominal swelling after meals or feel bloated and blocked and heavy. It can be unexplained fatigue as well. You feel tired despite adequate rest, poor focus, difficulty concentrating, brain fog, memory loss, and so on. Or then mysterious symptoms like unexplained skin issues or joint pain. These are your gut's ways of signaling distress and asking for support and help. So please pay attention to the red flags. Your body is really calling for help. Now it's time to wrap up our first session. And now that you understand what's happening inside your gut, you're already one step closer to feeling lighter, clearer, and more in control. In our next lesson, we'll take everything you've learned and turn it into a simple practical step, the food, habits, and targeted support that help your gut heal from the inside out. Because your journey doesn't end up here, this is where it truly begins. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next session.